Here we have a question that is asking, does the point 86 make the inequality y is less than 6x plus 4 true? So we want to know, is this point a solution to this inequality? Well, this point has two components. It has our x coordinate and our y coordinate, and our inequality has two variables. It has our x variable and our y variable. So we can figure out if this makes a true math statement by substituting our x coordinate in for our x variable and our y coordinate in for our y variable and seeing if it makes a true math statement. Okay, and if it does, then it is a solution to the inequality. So I'm going to do my x's in blue just to show how I'm substituting, and I'm going to do my y's in orange. Over here, right? So I'm going to rewrite this inequality, but instead of x and y, I'm going to substitute my x coordinate and my y coordinate in. And I'm always going to make sure that I use parentheses whenever I'm multiplying, or just in general, just so that way you don't make any mistakes. So we now have this new inequality that is 6 is less than 6 times 8 plus 7, right? Make sure you use your parentheses so that way you know there's multiplication happening here. So I'm going to simplify the right side of my inequality. 6 times 8, and you can use a calculator, okay? But I know that 6 times 5 is 40, plus another 8 would give me 48. So that's how I would do that using mental math. And you could do it however you want. Use a calculator, feel free. Count it out on your fingers, right? Whatever you need to do. Draw 6 groups of 8 circles, count them all. And then I'm going to continue to simplify the right-hand side of my inequality. So 48 plus 7, well, I know 48 plus 2 will get me to 50, plus another 5 will get me to 55. So now I have this inequality that says, this says 6 is less than 55. And I know that 6 is the smaller number because the inequality symbol is pointing to it. And I know that 55 is the greater number, or so it claims, because the alligator is eating it, right? So is this true, right? This also says, and let me write this again. So this says 6 is less than 55. This also says that 55 is greater than 6. Right? So this inequality says two things. It compares these two numbers in two different ways. So is that true? Well, yes, that's true. 55 is greater than 6, and 6 is less than 55. So this point, 86, is a solution to this inequality. Okay, so the answer would be yes.